Our stew is ready. Guys, today I am attempting to cook garden egg stew with ingredients available to me. These are the ingredients. So guys, we are going to wash our Japanese rice. This is Japanese rice. And actually for Japanese rice, for this kind of rice, when you're cooking it, you don't need salt when cooking it. You can just cook it as is with water. And when you, if you come to Japan, it will be good to buy a sieve like this. This sieve has a bowl and so that it will be easy to wash rice, because please, you will eat a lot of rice. Just enough water to cover the top of the rice. Now it is going into our rice cooker. This is for rice. We are going to chop our garden eggs. So I'm going to cut it. Okay, it has relatively no seeds. Very good. So just cut into small sizes. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and then subscribe so that I can keep on making videos like this, okay? Yeah, and to support me, to show your support, okay? Click the subscribe button. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Have you clicked it? Okay, thank you. Thank you very much for clicking the subscribe button. As you're waiting for our aubergines to cook, we are going to chop the other vegetables. So here we have it, our chopped ingredients. These are the green bell peppers, mushrooms, enoki, Japanese mushrooms, chopped tomatoes, onions, dried anchovies, ginger, garlic, stock cube, red powdered pepper, and our eggs. Okay. Yes, and of course our oil and sardine. Actually, this was given to me in my lab. I'm going to use that to cook today. It was given to us in our lab. Thank you, Sensei. Okay, so our garden eggs are ready. Just a little olive oil. And a teaspoon of ginger paste. Some of our onions. not all of them. We'll add the rest later when it's almost cooked. We are going to add some of our green pepper to this so that the flavors will be infused in the oil. We'll put these in later together with these onions, with the leftover onions. And then we are going to add our red pepper to taste. Depends on how much pepper you like. Our rice is ready. Oh. Okay. So we'll leave our rice to simmer. Oh no. We are waiting for our stew. And then we are going to put our mushrooms into it. Everything is golden brown. Is this golden brown? We are now going to add our chopped tomatoes. We are going to add one of the mackerels, sardine or mackerel, if you have mackerel. I think this is mackerel. So we just add it and break it into two. That's so we'll leave it in that chunk, in that manner. The next step is our dried anchovy. So, yeah, pouring. So you're going to add 2 ladles of water to decrease the consistency. It's too thick. So I'm going to add my stock cube. Oh, it's hard. It is hard. It's not breaking, guys. Okay, I put it in the middle. It should dissolve. Where is it? Okay, it's in it. I don't know why it's not. Please make sure your stock cube gets disintegrated. Okay, so now I'm going to add the egg. You want our egg to be in big lumps, so we are not going to stir immediately. Okay, so we are going to just do this. So as our egg is still cooking, we'll increase the heat again and then add eggplant. So we are going to mash the eggplant a little. Good. So we are mashing our eggplant in. So when you are done cooking and then you think it's a little too thick, you can add some water, which is what I'm going to do. To reduce the consistency, because I actually like it. This one is not so dry. So we are going to add a pinch of salt to elevate everything. So finally, we are going to add the rest of our onions and our green pepper, the ones that we sliced. Okay, and then we'll stir gently into it and then cover it and let it simmer. Oh, our stew is ready. Cha-cha! Itadakimasu! Yeah, so guys, this is it. Our rice and Ghanaian eggplant stew. Does it taste the same? Let's see. Oh my god, it's close.